We start inside a large stadium for a monster truck event. This famous truck is called Gravedigger. It has massive tires built to crush things and drive over big dirt hills. Watch it speed up, hit a steep dirt ramp, and fly high into the air. It lands hard on a crushed car, bounces, and flips completely upside down. In this event, drivers try to do the wildest jumps and tricks to get the highest score from the crowd. Next, we move to a dirt track deep in the forest. These vehicles are lightweight racing buggies. They only fit one person and have a strong metal cage for safety. The drivers speed quickly down the dusty road, sliding sharply around the corners. This is a race against the clock, where the goal is to drive through the winding forest track as fast as possible without crashing. Now we are at an outdoor obstacle course. This vehicle is called a side-by-side or a UTV. The track is covered in thick, wet mud and blocked by huge wooden logs. The driver has to carefully steer and use the vehicle's bouncy suspension to climb over the big logs. The goal of this event is to see if the driver can make it through the tough traps without getting stuck in the mud. Finally, we end up in a grassy field for a fun car jumping event. These are just old, regular, everyday cars that have been emptied out and painted brightly. The drivers step on the gas, speed up a tall ramp, and launch the cars straight into the air. They crash down hard onto a row of junk cars, flipping onto their roofs. There is no race here. It is all about putting on a big, exciting crash show for the audience to enjoy.